Welcome home. Valentine's Day is just around the corner. So today I have 4 different ideas for inexpensive gifts or home decor projects that I'd like to share with you. Let's get started. The foundation for each one of these projects are canisters from Target Dollar Spot. I bought them with 3 variegated colored lids, and as you see, they're $3 a piece. The supplies for my first project are scissors, 3 different types of candy. I've included chocolates, jelly beans, and peanut M&Ms. I also, for a special treat, will be using some miniature sugar cookies and a set of tongs. Our second project will include personal care items. I'll use bath bombs in mauve, some individual packages of Valentine-themed Kleenexes, and some pink Himalayan salt bath soak. I'll spoon that into the canister using a ladle, and of course we'll need some paper towels. Here are the supplies we'll use for our third project, which is to use the canisters as candle holders. I have 2 types of votives, one set that's colored glass, which I will be using with real candles. Because there's a flame, the canister lids must be off. The second set of votives are clear votives that I'll be using with electric candles. There's no flame, so we can leave the canister lids on. For decorative purposes, I'll be filling the canisters with pearls, white rock, or pink glass. These are the supplies that we will use for our final project, which is to make flower topiaries. I sourced most of my items here from Walmart. These flower stems in 2 different colors were 97 cents a stem. These flowers were left over from a previous project. They were more expensive. You'll need sphagnum or moss. You'll need some full spheres and some half spheres in styrofoam. I chose to use 4 inches. Of course, you'll need a glue gun. The paints that I had were pink, gold, and pearl white. You'll need a paintbrush, scissors, dowel rods, and we'll need some paper towels. The first thing we need to do is to cover the sphere with flowers. I insert a flower stem to mark the spot where I'm going to put glue and then secure the flower stem. I'll be making a line halfway across the sphere with flowers and then filling in the sides. I'll leave a small spot at the bottom open for inserting the topiary stem. Next, we'll be painting the dowel rods. I'll use 2 coats of paint, and it doesn't take much. I'll secure the dowel rods after they've been painted in a square of floral foam for about 10 minutes while they dry. Cover the center portion of the canister with hot glue. Insert the floral foam and adjust it if you need to. Cover the sides with moss. I would do that first because it's easier. Drizzle more hot glue along the top of the floral foam. And finish with the final layer of moss. Now we're going to insert the dowel rod into the moss, and I use a little bit of hot glue just to help secure it. We're going to top it with our floral spheres, and there you have it. Of course, the most important aspect of Valentine's Day is sharing it with people you love. Let me know in the comments below if you've used any of these ideas. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so I can continue to produce this content. Happy Valentine's Day! As always, thank you for watching.